Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig gardening. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw the two eyes of George Pig, then his nose and the shape of his head. I draw a wide-open smiling mouth and a circle for his cheek. Finally, his two ears. I start to draw his body and his two arms, then his cute tail and his legs. Now I draw Peppa Pig's eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her smiling mouth as well and a circle for her cheek. Finally, her two ears. I draw her body, her two arms, her cute tail, and her legs. She is going to hold a spade in her hand, so let's start to draw it. Great! Now I draw the ground in the background. I would like to draw a sunflower here. Let's draw its stem. Ooh, it's going to be a tall one. Now I add some leaves. Finally, I draw the flower itself. Looks beautiful. And now I finish the ground. Let's put a wheelbarrow here. I start with the wheel of it, then the rest of it. Let's draw a watering can too. Good job! I draw some clouds and the sun to finish it off. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use a pink marker to color the skin of the two piggies. Now some light purple for their cheeks. I color George's mouth with this light red. I'm going to color Peppa Pig's dress with this nice red marker. George's outfit is blue. And both of them are wearing yellow boots. I use some brown and gray for the spade. I color the stem of the sunflower with this shade of green. And I use another one for the leaves. I color the petals with an orange marker. For the center, I use this yellow. I color the wheelbarrow brown. I'm going to use different shades of purple for the watering can. And I'll make the flower on it orange. I use yellow for the sun and blue for the clouds, but I just draw the outlines of them. Then I add some green for the ground. And some light blue for the sky. Great job! Yippee! They look awesome in the garden. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.